Carvana has become the poster child for the digital transformation of used car sales, riding a wave of investor enthusiasm and operational turnaround. But with the sky-high valuations and a volatile market, is the meteoric rise built to last? Can Carvana keep defying gravity, or is its valuation settling up investors for a bumpy ride? All right, as you can see, this has been a crazy ride from the lows of $1 back in January of 23 to the highs currently at $347, testing what is all-time highs at $375. Now you can see that price did close above this monthly sell level back in May, and that was based on this drop, this basing candle, and then the drop. Now if you look closely, let's just zoom in for a second, you'll see that price did come into that zone in the month of February of this past year, just dipping its toes in the bottom portion of the zone before price pulled back. But again, price was in an uptrend, so these sell levels only should serve as targets, as in trending markets price eventually breaches any sell levels. Now when prices are trending, you want to get in on buy levels, and so if we scroll down to the weekly chart, you can see we had two buy levels. These were weekly levels. You have this rally, this basing candle, rally, basing candle, rally. Price comes back the first time, breaches the top zone, and that's why when you have levels on levels, typically you want to put your entry in the middle with a stop, in this case if you're going long, the bottom of the zone. Depending on where you put your stop in, you either got stopped out or not, but the concept is real and it works. This is how I find the smart money and where they're willing to load up or sell. Alright, so we're going to take this monthly sell level off the chart, and now the question is, I'm going to scroll back out to the monthly chart to put this rally base drop. So prices are now back in a monthly sell level, so you have to be careful. Don't want to necessarily go long. You would like to see price breach it, close below, above it, pull back, and then move higher. So there is no setup to go long at this time. We already went down to the weekly chart. You do have another zone right here. I'm going to take this off, put that right there. Alright, that's a weekly level. And let's take it to the daily chart just to see if we can see any potential reversals. Alright, so potentially we have what's in the making, a liquidity grab for your ICT traders out there. You have higher high, you have divergence as RSI is making lower highs. And what you want to see is a push below what we're going to call an inverse fair value gap. So we would like to see price take out this level before considering going short. But again, please remember, shorts only have to be short-lived. Now, where those levels of interest are, you have one right here at about 250 to 260. And so let's paint that picture in blue. Daily buyers 255. All right, in summary, price was going to let us know if Carvana is going to continue to defy gravity or not. If you've been in sub 100, sub 200, please take some off the table. If you're looking to get in, wait for price to move higher, potentially close above, pull back, and then move higher.